Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a shareable link in Google Forms. So let's say this is the form you have created, okay? And you want to share this. So what you need to do first is come to the top right and make sure you publish this first, okay? So just go ahead and click on publish. And here we need to choose who we're publishing this to. So here I need to click on manage, okay? And here we need to change the responder view access. So I'll change this from restricted to anyone with the link. But if you want to invite specific people, you can just put in their emails, such as this one, and only they will be able to respond. And make sure you toggle on notify people. But in this case, we'll make it available for anyone with the link. And as you can see, it is updated. Click on done. And once we do this, we can click on publish. Okay, now you see this? It says published. All you need to do is copy the responder link. Okay, as you can see, it's copied to your clipboard, and now you can share it with people. And it's really that easy and simple.